Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. We are making a shrimp stir fry, and I've already got my shrimp. I removed the shell and deveined them. So we're going to work on getting the vegetables prepared. I have 3 cups of snow peas, and we just need to take and remove this fiber that's running down the front side of the peas, because when you go to eat them, that'll get stuck in your teeth. And that's not really fun to have something stuck in your teeth when you're trying to eat. And the fiber is running across the side that you see the peas on. So you'll just snip it here and pull it down. We've got our snow peas all clean. I'm just gonna put these into a bowl. I'm gonna set this over to the side. We also have some broccoli greens that we're going to be using, and I'm just going to take and cut off the ends, which these can be cooked, but I don't want them in my stir fry, so I'm just going to take the leafy part of the broccoli greens here and use that today. We're going to use just a half of a bell pepper and just slice it up really thin. And we're going to cut that in half. Pop that over into their bowl of vegetables. We've got 1/4 of a red onion, and likewise just slice it thin. And I have about 3 cups of oyster mushrooms, and these are perfect size, so I'm not going to go and cut any of these down. They're perfect. And then I also have some jelly fungus, and some of these are a little bit big, so I'm going to go through and just cut some of the larger ones up. There was one particular one here, like that one, that was really big. So we'll just cut that a couple times. All right. And lastly, we need some green onion, so we're just gonna cut that up really thin. And we'll actually be adding this in last with the stir fry, because I don't want it to cook down too much. And I'm also gonna put some red chilies in here. Very spicy. That's what we want. We want a spicy shrimp stir fry. So let's get these cut very fine. All right, we're gonna make our way over to the stove. So let's get everything on a cutting board so we're ready. There we go. One item I forgot to add in is we do have a lot of bean sprouts, so I'm going to go ahead and use a good handful of those as well. I've got my heat setting up to high, and I'm going to drizzle in some avocado oil. And you do want to get a good deal of oil in your pan. Make sure it's really hot. And I'm going to start with the onions and the bell peppers first. Just to get those started. Okay, let's go ahead and add in the snow peas and the broccoli greens. Make sure we keep that moving around. And in just a little bit, we'll see those broccoli greens start breaking down. They're already starting to get wilted on us. Just keep stirring. Don't let anything get away on you. I think we're at a good point right now where we can add our seasonings. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Our mushrooms and our bean sprouts. Let's try to keep everything moving. Like I said, don't let anything get away on you. Got mushrooms flying all over the place. Let's get those back in there. And stir fries are so easy to make. You can actually pre-prep them the night before, and then when you get home from work, you just get your pan out. Everything's going everywhere. You just get your pan out, oil it up, heat it up, throw your vegetables in, meat if you have it, season, and serve. Alright, last little bit here. We're going to add these shrimp. Let's get those in there. I like to add the shrimp last because I like them to be just done and not overcooked. And they're starting to turn pink right away. So the shrimp are starting to get closer to done. Let's go ahead and cut our heat. And we're just going to stir this around until the heat calms down. And you can actually take this and eat it by itself, or you could serve it with some rice or noodles. But I think it's good by itself. Plenty of vegetables, nice big shrimp. So our pan is calming down. Our shrimp look done. Let's give it a little bit longer to kind of rest. Just let it sit for a minute. And for a finishing touch, we're going to add some green onion and red chilies. Just going to toss that in. And give that one final good toss. Okay, we're going to get our shrimp stir fry over into a serving dish and get ready to eat. Since we're together, might as well have a little taste. So I'm going to get some of this oyster mushroom, a little bit of the broccoli greens, and how about one of these jelly fungus here. Get that. Forgot my broccoli green. Let's go. You guys, this is absolutely wonderful. I really like the fact that I'm able to taste all of the vegetables. It's not overpowered with seasoning or soy sauce. So I hope you all really enjoy this recipe. Make sure to give it a try. It's a very quick dish that you can prepare, and you can also always replace the shrimp with chicken or a thin sliced beef. Or if you like, you can add tofu, or just the vegetables by themselves are really good. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye.